Both windshield washer nozzles on my daughter's 2014 Toyota Corolla stopped spraying, and there was no noise from the pump. So I started troubleshooting by first checking the fuse under the dashboard. I removed the cover and noted the location of the washer fuse. 15 amp fuse in the fourth slot from the right in the row nearest the seat. This blue fuse. I opened the hood. Then the engine fuse compartment. Retrieved the fuse puller and pulled the fuse. With daylight, the fusible link was clearly intact. You can also use a flashlight. Since the fuse was good, I ordered a replacement washer pump. And it arrived 2 days later. I turned the wheels all the way to the right to create space at the front of the passenger tire because the washer reservoir and pump is located in front of the tire. To access the pump, I removed this screw. Another screw to the right was missing. A third screw towards the front was removed. I then lowered and slid back the splash shield to reveal the washer pump. In order to remove the pump, I disconnected the electrical connector by pressing the locking tab to disengage it. Then removed the hose and pulled out the old pump. Be ready for the gush of water or washer fluid. Next, I removed the old pump grommet and flushed the reservoir with a water hose. The new pump on the left looked very similar to the old pump on the right. The new and old grommets didn't match as much, but looked close enough. The flat face of the grommet was set against the pump, and the beveled face was inserted into the reservoir. With the connector pointing up, I pushed the new pump into the reservoir. Then reconnected the hose and attempted to reconnect the electrical connector, but I found that the locking tab on the new pump was a little longer than the old one, so I used a nail file to file it down, and the outer ring was thicker, so I filed that down too. That was enough to allow the connector to slip on and the locking tab to click. I poured in several ounces of washer fluid, checked for leaks, and gave the washer pump a test. Success. I resecured the splash shield and the job was done.